Edo 2020. PDP don't carry campaign enter Ovia Southwest local government area. Onto say the governorship election for Edo State remain 3 weeks as it go shele for September 19, 2020. Nine People's Democratic Party PDP campaign train on Thursday, August 27th take carry campaign waka enter 6 wards for Ovia Southwest local government area. Here the party governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, Obaseki, for promise the people of Usen, Ugbogui, Siloko, Iguobazuwa and Ora wards wey host the campaign train one by one, saying go deliver im promises to do ogbonge work on top roads, electricity and education for them. The governor still advised Edo electorate to make them not only vote for am but make them wait to defend their votes.
So the message is on September 19th, una will come out. Nobody go farm that day. Oh. Nobody go farm. Oh. Where all of them go polling unit. When una reach polling unit, take the form, look for PDP, the umbrella. Una go put in a hand for there. When una vote, una not leave there. Oh. If like here, then they look like here we vote. Una go stand for here. Una go dey watch until they count una vote. When they don't count and finish, they can announce the result. They can put the paper for the school wall before una leave there. Make una not come out because they plan to rig the election.
Governor Obaseki come mention some of the social and infrastructural needs of the communities as he talks saying that these ones go form him agenda if them re-elect him. He still assured them saying go complete the renovation of Edo State College of Agriculture before the middle of next year.
As long as I promise you that I will make this school here a polytechnic. Did I make it a polytechnic? What I want to tell you now today, we say we be one government. I be one governor. When I say I go do something, I dey do am. But Usen, I know say like many other words, una get problem. Una get problem with light. Not be so. Una get problem with Usen Grammar School. Not be so. Una get problem with road. Not be so. Armed robber, they want them for here. Kidnappers, they want them for here. I know all of that. Ugbogui, this is the problem with lights. For now, when they go beneath, for bypass, we can go see 2 generating plants. They generate more than 1,000 megawatts. What thing we need for Edo State, the whole Edo State, not reach 250. We get light, but it not dey reach people because they get one company when federal government sell to. The company now get all this wire, not the government. This time, when we go vote become, me and that company, we go make sure say either they give us light or they come out for Edo State. So this election. Now, whether una won't vote person, when go help una solve all these problems, or una won't bring somebody when go chop the money when we're supposed to fix this problem.
Some ogbonge leaders for the party can't use the event, take in the voters some of the better plans where the governor gets for Edo people and say make them vote for the right candidates.
So in terms of Dibo, I want Dibo for PDP.
So that the development he has started can continue. Are you not going to support him? Are you not going to support him?
For the past few weeks, Unago Sabi said the People's Democratic Party campaign train don't carry campaign waka from ward to ward for Edo State, go Edo North and Edo Central to go ask for votes for their candidates and Governor for their candidates who still be Edo State Governor, Obaseki, and now they are waka day for Edo South Senatorial District.
This election will not be decided by the amount of guns APC wants to ship to Edo State. They attacked the residence of a city local government council chairman yesterday. And yesterday again, they went to Agbede to attack another staunch supporter of PDP, the person of Jazz Usman. Let me use this opportunity once again to appeal to the Commissioner of Police. These people in APC, they are not ready for election. They have lost this election.
This one are the ogbonge informator who don carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As PDP campaign train don carry ogbonge campaign waka enter Ovia Southwest local government area, where Governor Godwin Obaseki don for promise the people good roads, electricity and better education for him second term. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information come give una, and my name na Edo Woko Edole.
That person, who go vote?